Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. I have exciting news. Oh my goodness. I'm filming this on a real camera. It has autofocus and everything. It's from like 2014, but it's fine. I don't even care. My parents gave it to me and I'm so in love with it and I'm so excited about it. And yes, so hopefully the quality is better. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I have my microphone hooked up to it, so hopefully you guys can hear me. No more filming with an iPhone, yes! But this is the look that I did today. It is for 4th of July. That is happening this week. I am going to be going to Michigan to visit my boyfriend and his family for the first time. Wish me luck. And yeah, so this is definitely not going to be the look that I'm actually wearing on 4th of July because I don't want to scare his friends and family away. But this is definitely something that I would wear if I was going to be barbecuing with my friends or something like that. Typically I go to I can't even say typically what I do. I worked 4th of July for like 5 years of my life in a row. Last year was the first time I had 4th of July off since I was like 15. And last year I just went to the beach and I spent time with my friends and we just hung out, and then this year I don't even know what I'm doing. I just know that I'm going to be with the boy and friends and family, whichever that means. But yeah, I went for a super glowy, fun look, pretty easy to do with a little sparkly star on the side, which I still might do in Michigan. It's fine. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, and I apologize for this intro for being so long, just follow along. Okay, so I'm going to start out with my eyebrows. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in Taupe. Or I'm going to prime my eyes using my Ignot Eye Primer and a big angled brush. And then I'm doing a colorful look so you guys can guess what I'm using. So yeah, today I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B palette. And then of course I'm going to set my eye primer using the white shadow shade. Just using a flat shader brush from e.l.f. and the white shadow. I'm just going to set my primer. I feel like my eyeshadow doesn't blend as easily if I don't prime. Or if I don't set my primer. Okay, and then I'm going to use my flat shader fluffy brush thing from Crown Cosmetics. And then I'm going to start with this light pink matte shade right here and just blend that into the crease just to give a little bit of a base color. And then I'm going to be using that same brush and I'm going to be dipping into this bright red shade right here. And just placing that, pressing it into my crease a little bit lower than that pink shade. And try and get it as vibrant red as possible, so just patting as much as I can into that crease. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffy blender brush by Bond and Hide and just blend out those edges because they are sharp. Okay, and then I'm going to cut my crease for this look. I'm going to go in with a little flat shader brush and my Tarte Shape Tape. What I do, my little cheat, is I just pop this along the lash line and look up. And right where that is, I cut. And then on top of that, I'm going to immediately pop some of that white eyeshadow that I used before to set my primer. I'm going to pop that right on top of the eyeshadow. And then from my My Little Pony palette from Colorpop, I'm going to be using their shimmery white shade. It's the color Firefly. And I'm just going to use my finger and just place that on top. And I don't really care about this being a really sharp cut crease. I mostly just really wanted this white to pop, and I knew that it would not overtop red. And then I'm going to go in with that fluffy shader brush again and just blend out the edges because they're very sharp. And then, like always, I'm going to go in with a Q-tip and some micellar water and just clean up that color. And then I'm going to use eyeliner today. I'm going to be using my Pretty Vulgar ink gel eyeliner and a little tiny IT Cosmetics brush. That was a little bit more difficult than it normally is. It's all over my face. So I'm just gonna use a little bit more micellar water. And then for my face makeup, I am going to definitely prime my face. I need this to last all day, so I am definitely going to be priming my face. I'm going to be using my Dr. Brandt Illuminizing Primer, and because I really want to be glowy and nice and summery for this look. And I just rub it in with my fingers. And then for my foundation today, I'm going to be using a BB cream because I would like some sunscreen on my face because I'm super pale, so I need something. And I have my e.l.f. BB cream. It has SPF 20, and I'm just gonna pop that on my face. I have the shade Buff. I don't know if that's dark or light. I'm pretty sure it was just like the only one they had in the store when I bought it, because I was desperate for a BB cream at the time. And then I'm going to wet this and be right back. And then with my beauty blender, I'm just going to dab that in. I'm going to be cream contouring. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. I only have it in the color medium, so it's a little dark for me, but it's fine. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that this was my jam for a long time. So I just use this little spoon brush, round brush, by True Beauty, and the middle color, and just and a little along the top, a little along the sides, because it's just going to be barbecue-y stuff, so I don't need to be completely snatched. But I still like a contour. It makes me feel like I'm a little bit more put together. And then I'm going to just dab it in with my Beauty Blender. And then for my concealer today, I want it to be something that will really last a long time, be super creamy, and hopefully not crease too much. I have a lot of lines under my eyes, so it probably will crease anyway. I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Canal. And I've recently read that if you don't put it all the way up to your lash line, that it is not as creasy, which would be amazing. Because I struggle. The girl struggles. Everything that I put on my face creases. Everything. Good, bad, drugstore, high-end. And then with a little tiny, or a little Flawless Concealer brush by e.l.f., I'm going to be using my RCMA powder that I've already poured in here, and just put the tiniest bit on that concealer to set it. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using this big Aesthetica P12 brush, that same powder. Dab it all over my face, because I know BB creams tend to not dry down completely, and that drives me crazy. Okay, and then for bronzer, I want to be super bronzy because it is 4th of July, it is summer, I want to look super glowy. I'm going to be using my Bronze Basics Bronze Essentials palette. Got this in BoxyCharm a while ago. Then I'm going to be using this big Crown Pro brush. I think it's their bronzer brush, and I'm just going to swipe across the whole thing and bronze up my face. This has a little bit of glitter in it, or whatever, shimmer in it, so it gives me a nice glowy complexion. Want to look luminous and glowing for the summer. And then for highlights, I want to be glowing to the gods. I'm using my PUR Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette, and I'm using the shade Afterglow, the little highlight shade in the middle here, and popping that on the upper parts of my cheeks. Yes, glow. Concealer already doesn't look as creasy. And then that is just about it for my face. Then I'm going to go back to my eyeballs. I'm going to be using my 35B palette again. And then I am going to be using this bright blue shade right here. And I'm going to be popping that under my eyes to give me a little bit of blue, a little bit of patriotic flair. And then off camera, I am just going to be putting on mascara and lashes, and then I will be right back to finish up. Okay, lashes are done. I'm just wearing my double-decker lashes from BoxyCharm, and then my Battington Monroe 3D Silk lashes. And yeah, so this last part is actually part that I'm not quite sure if this is going to work. If it does not, I will not be having this in the video. But I'm just going to use a little liner brush by Aesthetica and my NYX Glitter Primer. Just gonna take some of that and draw a star right here. Ooh, I can't even see it. That's not fun. And then I'm going to be using my NYX Glitter Brilliance Loose Pigment, and it's the silver one. Doesn't really have shade numbers. GLI 06. It's like holographic glitter. Just tapping it into the top and then taking that same brush and patting it onto the glitter glue. And there we go. You have a little star in your face made out of glitter. Can you even tell it is a star? Maybe. I'm just gonna be going in with a nude shade because there's a whole lot going on up here. I don't want to be too crazy. I'm just going in with my NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in Bedtime Flirt. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to be using my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Okay, and then I'm going to just do my hair and then I will be right back. Alright, so this is the final look. I just put on a little bandana for my hair. And took it down out of that bun. It's super salty from going to the beach earlier today, so it's not in the best shape. But whatever, I also put on this cute little American flag shirt. And yeah, this is the final look. I'm just gonna zoom you in a little bit. Zoom in on that star. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this look. If you guys have any other holiday ideas that you would want me to do throughout the summer, which I don't really know if there are a lot, but let me know in the comments down below. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys have any suggestions on better filming styles, things like that, I am still learning. Please let me know. If you guys can't hear me enough, let me know. If I'm not centered, if I'm too far away, whatever. I am looking for constructive criticism. But I hope that you guys all have a wonderful 4th of July. Please stay safe. Keep all your puppies happy in the scary fireworks. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye.